At first when I was hired, I was petrified, thinking I couldn't ever work without an instructor by my side. I spent so many nights worrying about the things I might do wrong, but I grew strong, and I learned how to get along.
First it was whack, so much to do. I spent so many shifts with the bewildered look upon my face. I should have changed that dressing earlier and put that new Ivy in. If I had known this afternoon was going to get so busy.
Go on now, go. Walk out the door. I just discharged my first patient independently. I used to think I couldn't do this on my own, but I didn't crumble. I didn't lay down and die.
I will survive, as long as I know how to turn it, I know I'll be alright.
I've got all my meds to give. I've gotta help my patients live and they'll survive.
I will survive.
Hey, hey.
Took all my strength not to fall apart. The first time my post-outpatient couldn't pacify. I spent my whole shift worrying about this case, but it was fixed with a big dose of Colace.
And now I'm here. 6 months have passed. No longer worrying so much about the minor little things. So it took a while to get to where I'm at. I'm enjoying nursing and all the joy that it brings.
Come on, let's go. Let's graduate. Don't be scared now. Good things come to those who wait. We spent so many nights doing care plans and much more. Now we're ready to be an RN on the floor. Oh yeah, we will survive. Long as we know how to time manage, I know we'll be alright. We got all our meds to give. We gotta help my patients live and they'll survive. We will survive. Hey, hey.